Welcome to the Prosperity Ascent Lab. Go ahead and pull up a chair. I'm Chrissy Hogue Bartels. I have spent more than 20 years inside personal development. I'm a professor of communication and the director of the communication program at Clark University. I am a working SAG-AFTRA actor, including a recent co-star on NBC's Chicago PD. I have written and directed and starred in films that have won many awards, and I have personally raised $30,000 in 2 nights and $23 million in 2 months. I've been the top salesperson making $10,000 a month on car lots and managed a $2.3 million book of business as a State Farm agent owner. And we're going to be doing some of the very things that I did to be so successful right here in this community, to help you gain the success you are here to gain. Everything inside this lab comes from someone who actually has stood on the stages, sat in front of the camera with celebrities, and closed the deal over the phone, in person, and on camera. So I'm here to teach you the communication skills that level of success takes. If you found your way here, I would bet you fall into one of 2 camps. Either you have the drive and the skill and the ambition, and you are flat out exhausted by the business vehicle you're currently driving, or you've been doing the deep mindset work for years, and you are frustrated because you still haven't found a real physical vehicle that actually pays you back for all of that growth. Either way, you are tired of spinning your wheels and not getting paid what you are worth. You wanted to see real numbers and real gain and real momentum. So you're in the exact right community for that. For clarity, when I say vehicle, I am talking about the actual business model, the engine and the system that carries you to the income you want. Mindset gets you into the driver's seat, and that part matters enormously. But mindset is not a vehicle. It does not move on its own. You have to put it into motion, and that is exactly what we're going to do in here. Notice that I call this place a lab. This is not where you sit back and watch other people's work. We rehearse in here. This space is for practicing in front of an award-winning coach to get you good at whatever it is you came in here to get good at. And we're going to make it natural so that your work and your business improved. So let me walk you through exactly how to use this space to get the thing you actually came here for. Look here at this classroom tab for a second. You will see a few free modules already unlocked and waiting for you. If you know honestly that your belief layer is a little wobbly right now, start there. Start with the 3-day Mojo Mastery and the 7-day Mind Power Bootcamp. You cannot outwork a broken subconscious script or automated negative thoughts. I have watched capable, talented people grind for years against a story running underneath them, and that story always wins. So rewire the foundation first so you can actually hold the income you're about to go build. Now, some of you are not here for the pep talk. You are a capable professional and you just want to go directly to the business presentation. I respect that completely, and it is located inside this same classroom. It's titled the 1.8K to 8.2K Vehicle Behind the Scenes. Inside, you can watch the full business presentation, see the exact product line, and study the real commission numbers, about $1,828 to $8,250 and everything between and involved, completely on your own terms and at your own pace. It's about 2 hours, and that 2 hours has changed the lives of hundreds of people who follow the system, including mine. Some people are making between $50,000 and $200,000 per month. Please watch the testimonial video here. Watch the whole thing, sit with it, and if you reach the end and you still have honest questions, my calendar link is sitting right inside that module. Book a zero pressure call. The call is just so I can answer whatever's still open for you, and so we can figure out whether this is the right fit for your life now. No pressure either way. Truly, I believe the right people come to this opportunity at the exact right time for them. As you scroll through the classroom, you're going to see several courses with a padlock on them. Those are my 2 execution tiers. Premium is $399 a month. That's where I hand you the actual machinery, the exact tech setup, and all of the things you need to run your vehicle. My full communication masterclass, the script, screen, organic traffic coaching, marketing, the member bonuses, and more that I built specifically to get you off the starting line faster. People who own your own business in this personal development space, after watching the business presentation, immediately get access to VIP. However, if you own your own fabulous business and you love it and you want to fast track your results and communication skills, VIP is $999 a month. I call it the director's chair. You get everything inside Premium, plus the advanced work on your income ceiling, the audit, vault, and direct one-on-one access to me through my private directory. And if you already know you are building a long-term asset and not just testing the water, you can get a huge discount by paying for a full year upfront on either tier, and that takes 20% off the moment you do it. Click on any locked course and you will see the entire breakdown, exactly what's inside, and the upgrade button is right there. The door's wide open. You walk through it when the timing is right for you. Which brings me to your very first assignment in this community, and you can finish it in the next 60 seconds. Please drop a comment below this video and introduce yourself, and then answer for us. What is the single thing standing between you and the income and the freedom you actually want right now? Is it your mindset? Is it your communication skills? Or do you just need a better vehicle? Now claim your space, step into the room, and let's get to work.